So sometimes we have to insert a table from an Excel workbook to a PDF. How do we do that? For example, I'm working on the security briefing acknowledgement, and there's a certain checklist that somebody has provided me in an Excel workbook. And now my colleague wants help to insert that into this PDF. It's very easy, I would say fairly. One of the ways that you can do it is open the Excel sheet that you are working on and select the rows and columns that have the data that you require. So I select, maybe not so much, just the cells. Just this much should be good. And I make sure that I have the Excel options open. I go to File, Save As. Instead of Excel workbook, I choose the option PDF. And then only the selection cells from C2 to M27, which contains the data. And I save it. Okay. I've already saved it, so I'll show you how we edit it now. Close the workbook or minimize the window so you can work more cleanly. And this is the grocery list that I had already saved, right? So I need these. I choose edit PDF and I can make a selection here, copy. You can use a Command C on your Mac or Control C if you're using a Windows laptop or desktop, and make sure that you also have the edit option selected here. You might be using this one, or as I use highlighters to read text, make sure you have the edit option here as well, and then you paste. Now this looks a little clumsy. What we can do is I can try to take the text out of the way and align it so that the rest of the text can be seen without any issues. Now, how you design the document might depend on your aesthetic sense, and it will be very subjective. You might need some space between this, but the basic idea is how to insert a table. If you want a brownie hint or point that would help you is whenever you have an official document, it's best to have the company logo and relevant info at a certain corner. I usually prefer the right top corner for my official documents. You can use your company logo or your private business, whatever you're doing. Text which is clear and bold should be there. And this is just an acknowledgement document, but there are pages and pages of document that might need some descriptive text which you can put in after your heading. Then you have the option, the check boxes from the Excel sheet, and there you go, the signature validating the document. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.